Here's a sound related problem in Davinci Resolve. I have a clip here and the left channel of this audio is much better compared to the right channel of the audio, and it sounds like this. So there is almost nothing in the right channel. So how to make the sound better? I would like to play only the left channel in the left speaker and in the right speaker. To play the same one in both speakers, right click on the clip, either the audio or the video. Go here to clip attributes, and after clip attributes go to audio, and that's the first channel, the left one, which is better, and that's the second one, the right one. And for the second I would like to use also the first. And now I will not have a stereo sound, I will have a dual mono sound, so the same sound will be played in both speakers. And close it with OK, and now it got a little bit lower, the volume is lower, but it sounds better. The same sound is played in both speakers. Now I can right click on it and I could normalize the audio to increase the volume. Peak program 0 decibels and normalize, and that's it. Now the same sound is played louder in both speakers.